folks. This video. What am I doing in this video? I'm taking the bolts off this. I know you can't see my face, but I'm taking the rubber off here, and I picked up this rack. It looks like it's been painted about 7,000 times, which is fine with me, because then it means it's either hiding rust underneath, totally corroded, or it just has a lot of paint on it and it hasn't rusted at all. It just looks like crap. Either way, this thing keeps moving. There we go. Gotta get any sloppier than this. Come on. Come on. I really should invest in my little 10mm. Wait, actually, let me find it. Hold on. Well, why didn't I think of this earlier? As long as I'm not putting screws in with this, shouldn't be too bad. There we go. There's one. Kind of not want to come out. Sideways. That over here, I guess. Let's put it over here. Get these out of the way. There's that. Take the little rubber noggin out here. So there's the big rubber thing. I'll probably clean it off. This one's actually nice and soft. Some of the other ones are like bricks. I need to take this out of here. Oh, and I don't have my regular camera mount, so I forgot it in my house again. Came out. This one might not. Ooh, there we go. I don't want to break the bolt. I'm always breaking bolts. Always breaking bolts. It's like I can't win every time. There's one. Okay. Always Tim Hortons. Holy crap. Nothing glued in there. I gotta take this out of here. Appears it does not want to come out. It's all crowded in here. Come on. Maybe we gotta push it out some. Push it real good. All right. What can we do? We won't stab a hole in it. Yeah, it can work. Yeah, let's skip that. Alright, we got this here. I'm going to order new bolts for these because for now. There we go. I think there's something missing in here. This rubber piece looks like it's been painted. It's got a red tinge on it. It must be somebody didn't take the rack off to repaint it. There's this. This don't look like it's gonna come out. Let me get a screwdriver. Let me get a proper screwdriver for this. I highly doubt this is coming off. Oh, we got to move. Let's try the freeze off. Yeah. Let's try Mr. Freezy. Where's the little thing I had? Where's the freezy cloth that I had? It's around here somewhere. Is it a chemical one or is it over there? Let me lift this up a little here. Oopsies. There we go. I'm going to put this around here because it's going to make a mess. See this stuff right here? Thankfully, I got lots of stuck bolts to attend to, so I'm gonna spray the shit out of it. I'm honestly not gonna try it now because what the hell's the point? It's not gonna come out. I'm planning on, what do you call it? Move this out of the way. Where'd I put the screwdriver? There it is. This one's too small. See, it's... Ooh, look at that. I'll be damned. And no, I'm not joking, folks. This stuff actually works. Holy crap. Put it back in a little here. That actually went... I couldn't even get this thing out of here. Alright, come on. Oh, and these are GIS screwdrivers, in case you're wondering. I bought these Japanese industrial standard screwdrivers specifically for this bike. It comes in 3 sizes. It was like 20 bucks for a set. They have really nice wood handle. Believe it or not, the quality finish on here was pretty good. I was impressed. I mean, I'm easily impressed, but this was pretty good. So yeah, that actually worked pretty good. Alright folks, before I was rudely interrupted by a phone call, I sprayed this bolt. Screw won't come out. Yeah. I'll try this one. This one's I should wire brush this thing here. I don't even know if this is going to come out. The crazy part about this freeze-off stuff is you need to put a cloth behind it because it gets everywhere. So like this, put a cloth here and you just waste a whole lot of penetrant. And then you just wait and hope the hell it comes out, because who knows, it might not. Then you take a wrench here. There we go. This one's coming out. This is the bolt for the reflectors. Reflectors. I just want to take all these bolts out, send it to get man blasted, and then ta-da! There's all kinds of gunk on your side, so ta-da! I probably should attach vice grips to it. Probably should attach some vice grips to it. There we go. But this works just as good. Greatest nation in the world, Crud Nation. Anybody else on this? Anybody watching my videos? If you're watching my video, leave a comment. Even if it's like, hey, what's up? It's always nice to get a comment. I mean, I know I get views. I know I get quite a few views and stuff. I'm actually approaching 950,000 views after this time, so it's not bad. Not a bad number of views, actually. I'm getting there. I'll celebrate my 1 millionth view by buying $1 million in Monopoly money. That's all, because that's all I can afford. if if you watch my videos, try to watch them to the end because it helps me with watch time. I think I need a few thousand more subscribers, or I need to like jump out of a plane to fix a 3-wheeler or something. You know, get like do something snazzy. You know, because everybody else is like, "Oh my God, Mr. Beast!" Oh, it doesn't all kinds of shit. So apparently, you have to be like super cool or have implants to get popular on YouTube. But different niches have different things. I mean, I'm not exactly the greatest editor. I'm not the greatest filmer, and apparently, I'm not the greatest bike builder either. So, I'm trying to get this thing out of here. There we go. That one's out. I'll try this one off the camera. I'll show you what I've done. Yeah, I'm still at it. I'm breaking the plastic off here, and one of the things I hate about certain vice grips is they're too slippery. Like they copy that finish. The old, what do you call it? The old vice grips used to have this like kind of gritty finish. This is like super slippery. When I was on here, it just was not happening. So even though some cheap vice grips are made pretty good, like this is made pretty good, but they're cheap, no-name knockoff, they suck because you can't hold on to them. So with that said, I'll use a screwdriver. There we go. Let's just try to get the plastic off here. I heard that land over there somewhere. Take this side off and just pop it off. There we go. I will try to unscrew this without the juice, and then I'll see. Oh no, I better put the juice on. I can feel that. I can feel this thing bending. Let me bend this down here. There we go. Let's squeeze the juice on here, huh? This around here. This around here. Ah! Landslide. Okay, we'll spray this in here. Spray that in here. By my best estimates, using this stuff, you can maybe do a dozen bolts, maybe 20 max, if that. That's just a high value. 20 would be my top of the spectrum, if that. 20. Okay, now the bolts are moving. Before the head was twisting, so I gotta be careful with this one because it like I said, it does work. I'm gonna go and drink a bottle of liquid nitrogen, see how that works on bolts, because I've always had a fascination for liquid nitrogen, and you know, add liquid nitrogen to a YouTube video and ooh, you could have some fun. Let's see what happens. It'd be cool if we can get an engine around with liquid nitrogen. How the hell that work? I have no idea. But I'm sure somebody out there's already invented one. Anyway, I'll record this on high speed, dub it. There you go, because this is what I'm using. Oh, I knew that was going to happen. Freaking knew it. The head of the bolt came off, so I gotta somehow, maybe I could spin it out the other way. That might work. Oh well. Anyway, I'll stop this video here. There. Anyway, what I'm doing is I'm gonna send this out to be blasted. I'll try to get this out. Take these two bolts out. That one's gotta come out now, and where's the other one? Where was the other one? Yeah, there's this one. This bolt's got to come out. I did a little psst on it. This has got to pop out, and that one bolt. So once I get that done, I'll send it out to be blasted and painted. So toodles, enjoy, and hope you all like this channel. Thanks for watching. Well, folks, with the use of a screwdriver, I pried this thing out. I got this hole removed, and I got now my things here. There we go. I got this taken out, and I'll show you the piece. I had to drill it and unscrew it, and it looked like, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a hole in it. I drilled it out, and I just took it out, and now it's razor sharp. So this is ready to get blasted. It looks pretty good. I mean, the immediate blasting will tell us what it is. But so if you were watching this video, this is the end of the video. Yeah, I say spared you the grief. I used this stuff, believe it or not, works really good. So CRC, you make really good products. Even the knocker loose, folks, that works good too. I think it's like knocker loose with freezing juice. Anyway, thanks for watching. Toodles.